Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. If you're looking for nice and easy breakfast recipes, here is one. This is called egg toast. I have added the bread into the egg batter and it's really nice and quick that you can make and very healthy recipe. So stay tuned for the ingredients and check out how I made it. Alright, so let's check out the ingredients real quick. I've taken 4 beaten eggs, few slices of normal sandwich bread, salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, oil, and bunch of chopped vegetables, some onion, green chilies, tomato, coriander. You can take parsley if you want, and some mozzarella cheese. You can add more vegetables here like bell pepper, mushroom, just as per your choice. So let's get started. But before that, if you're new here, welcome to my channel and check out my other recipes and consider subscribing. Thank you so much. Alright, so here you go. So I've added 2 tablespoons of mozzarella cheese, some Italian seasoning and black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and the vegetables that I cut. So let's give that a good mix. I use fork here. As I mentioned earlier, you can add any vegetables of your choice. It's going to be healthier and tastier. So give that a good mix. And let's start dipping our bread into this batter. Okay, so I've taken 4 slices and I just cut it in half in a triangular shape. You can just either cut it or just keep it as an entire slice as is. Alright, so I'm gonna get 1 slice, dip it into our batter. Just nice. And I have my pan heating up here. I have added oil, about 1 to 2 tablespoons. Alright, so let's get that. Time to flip. For the first one, look at that beautiful golden brown color. You can keep this batter ready in advance and then just cut the bread and do it in the morning. You know, it's just real quick, fast that you can make, and something very healthy using eggs, vegetables, and you can serve this with ketchup or hot sauce. Alright, so here are my 8 pieces of breakfast egg toast are ready. I'm serving this with hot and sweet sauce. This is pretty much a spicy version of French toast. I just added some green chilies and some spices here. So I hope you like this recipe and you are going to give it a try at home. So let me know your feedback and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.